Hi cousins, this is part 2. Alright, so we have our, as you remember on part 1, I showed you about the MAKIAGE. Best foundation, really light on your skin. I have just a dab, and that's all you're really going to need. And you're just going to pat with your foundation brush, your blend brush. Just going to pat it in. It is super smooth. I like to wipe it away. Now, cousin, when I tell you we gonna pat, 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 blend, 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 blend. When I tell you this is like the funnest part of doing makeup. Yeah, yeah, have fun. Now, cousin, I don't have no, well, I got hair, but I don't have a lot of hair. So make sure you put something on to protect around your hair, okay? I don't, because I'm going to throw Sasha on after we get done. Put my wig cap on and call it a day. I love this foundation, guys. This has been a game changer for me, because when I tell you it's super light on my skin, it's super light. And I don't have to use a lot of product anyway, which I'm grateful for, because my skin ain't bad. I just really like wearing makeup because it's fun. It's like I literally have so much fun wearing makeup. And I used to paint canvases, but having carpal tunnel syndrome, I can't, and I had surgery on my hand, I can't hold an ink pen or anything too long to paint, so I just paint myself.
Yes!
I am the canvas. Built! Yeah. So, I wanted you to notice how I did not go up here. This is on purpose because you want that highlight. But it's really light, really thin. And this is for beginners because, let's just be honest, cousin, I'm a beginner too. I'm just sharing with you what I've learned and taught myself and paid attention to, just playing around and seeing. I used to put so much product on my face, and I realized that I did not need it. Oh, I like the way my nose look. Oh, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. It made that little slimming. I like it. All right. So we got our foundation on there. And you see I didn't use no more. Whatever was on the brush, that's all I used. And it was the smallest dabble. Now, I leave my brows a little bit lighter above because I like it. Okay? Because I like it. Now, if you don't want to, it's like that, guess what you got? Guess what you got the flexibility to do? Change it. That's right. That's right. That's right. Because we empower ourselves, right? That's right. That's right. Now, I want to focus on my eyeshadow, my eyelids. Now, the one thing that I want you to remember is this bone right here. Yeah, that bone. This bone gonna always, I like to hold it to really, really infuse a lot of color. Okay, now if you are a warm tone girl, meaning that you like neutral tones, you can create that. You can create you something with a dark brown, a light brown, and you can do it in sections. You can use tape if you want. I don't, I'm free-handed, but I'm gonna show you how I build mine, and you use whatever colors you like. But we also are gonna put some red here, here, here. I'm gonna put some red there. Now, when I do my makeup, I also use glitter. I like to highlight and make a mask because that's my thing. Okay, because I want my eyes to pop. You do whatever it is you want to do. Okay, cousin? Okay.
Oh.
Did you catch that? Catch it? All right. So, I'm using NK again for my eyeshadow palette. So, the other day I did orange. I really love orange. I love orange and yellow. I love all of those vibrant colors. But I have on blue. I got on my leopard print shirt. I got a little yellow, a little blue. So we're going to try to enhance those colors. I'm going to try. I always end up going back to the vibrant colors. I can't help myself because I am a vibrant bitch. Okay. So let's see what we got. So while I'm trying to figure out what colors I want to do, I will tell you that I'm super excited to build the color. Now, I'm going to speed the last part of this up because I'm trying to get my makeup done and I'm trying to share it with y'all. And it's taking longer than I normally like to take. Okay. Okay. So we got a dark, warm brown that we're going to put right on the outside of the lid as a straight line, up and down, up and down, up and down. Okay. Then we're going to do a golden brown next to that. Okay. And we're doing on both sides. Make this symmetrical as much as we possibly can, and we're gonna use this golden lighter brown right next to it, right there, up and down, 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 up and down. I'm sorry, I'm kind of goofy. And what we're gonna do, because I decided at the last moment when I was doing the browns that because I have a little bit of brown on, but I also have a lot of blue, so you're gonna see me do dark blue glitter, light blue glitter, gold glitter, and then I'm gonna wrap it up in a pretty bow on the next video. I know, cousin, I know, I do too much, but you love me, that's why. So make sure you go to the next video.